Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to Quibec TV channel. Okay, so today I'll be talking about how to clear your dark knuckle and my dark knuckle because I have dark knuckles. There are different ways you can get dark knuckles. You can get it from creams, not just from creams. You can get it from ways, different ways. I got my own from boxing. I just started boxing, so I noticed after having knuckle in just two of my fingers, the last ones are okay. I think those ones aren't that visible as this one. So after having knuckles, I box like 3 times a week. So while I started researching on what to use for my knuckle, I've not really started using anything presently. So I'm going to be reviewing two different things, and I'm going to also be using one. Then I'll show you the result of that one after some few weeks of using it. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is adding your lime and toothpaste. Now just one, you take one lime and adding it with toothpaste. I've not used it before, but I'm told it has very good results. So when you add the lime and the toothpaste together, you apply it in all those dark areas anywhere you want to clear. You apply it and leave it for a few minutes and clean it off, wash it off. Then you do that frequently, maybe like 2 or 3 times a week, and you see results. I was told it works very fast. I've not tried it before. Will I try it? No, not really, because I don't think I have lime around. So then the second method, using Carotone BSC, that's the black spot corrector of Carotone black spot corrector for your dark knuckle. Will I be trying this? Yes, this is the method I'm going to be trying. Why am I trying this? I don't know, because that's the only available product I have. The other one, I don't have lime, so I can't try it right now. This is the dark spot corrector Carotone BSC, the original one. I don't know if you can see it. It's the original one. It's not showing. Try to, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to be using this to clear my dark spot, and after some few weeks or days, I don't know, I'm going to try and I'm going to show you the results. So this is the before, so I'm going to show you the after some few weeks. That is how it looks. So what you're going to do is you take out of this, then you apply to the knuckle. I'll apply to my knuckle. Don't let me see your knuckle, my knuckle. So I apply. I don't have anything here, so but let me just put here. So I'm just applying. You can notice I'm applying to where I think I need the black spot corrector. Applying it there. I pray it works. A friend of mine have used it, and she told me she recommended it. She sells creams too, so I'm taking her word for it. If it doesn't work, I'll kill her. If it doesn't work, she's dead. It's just a joke. Okay, so I'll finish this off by. Normally, I don't have anything here, but I'll just put it there. I'll put there. Okay, so that is for. I'm going to do it for the second hand too. It's not easy. I really don't like doing stuff like this, but I got to do it. The hands are getting darker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop boxing for a while so that I can clear it first before. Because I don't know if I don't stop, maybe it won't clear off. I don't know. So I'm going to stop for a while to see if it clears off. Then go back to my aerobic boxing. Then apply it once in a while to prevent it from getting dark. think that's all. So so this is how you apply. Just apply on the ones, those that need the dark spot. Apply, and I was told within 2 weeks it should clear off. So let's wait and see. But this is it. So that is how you apply your Carotone BSC on your knuckle to clear your knuckle, and also that is how apply your close up with the line 2. That is how you apply. You just apply it like this, and you're good to go. You leave it for a few minutes and wash it off. So I'm going to go wash this off right now. Thank you for watching.